All right, today I just wanted to talk about this real quick fix that you can do with the Motorola E5. We're going to replace the charging port today, or at least show you how to do that. This case, you can see there's a little notch on the bottom side here. You can take that off super quick. And then you just move the battery. Of course, you want to make sure this is off. We made sure that we were off ahead of this actual repair here. We've got musical effects by my son. And so you'll take this bottom portion off if you want to remove, not too loud, Jake.
I just want the camera to hear.
All right. Jake. All right, I can't see this stuff, so let me move it closer. All right, I believe I need this one right here. It's a Torx TX4 screw. We're going to take all 4 of these out. Now, it is good practice to put them in order. So anytime you replace a repair or you attempt a repair, just make sure that you put the screws in the order that they came out. This will simply pop up then. To reveal this plate, you can remove the antenna real quick on the back here, and then remove this flex cable, and then take the same T4 Torx to take those out, and simply remove the charge port. And to reinstall, simply attach the, I always try to attach the antenna back first, just because I don't want to put too much pressure on that board. All right, well, sometimes it works better than others. This thing is always fun. Always fun. So you just got to repeat the mantra. Always fun. Always fun. Right, Jake?
Right. No.
All right, we heard a snap. And we snap this flex cable back into here. And we replace these screws right here. And you see, you two can replace a faulty charger in under 5 minutes. Maybe.
But take your time, please.
Yes, take your time, as we do not condone breaking things. Right, Jacob?
Right. I'm scared.
There's a little notch here that holds your antenna in. You want to make sure that you push that into the notch. That is one. Here, let me just show you real quick. It's, let me see, right here. There's this little notch. Just make sure that wire, the antenna wire, gets pushed in there before clipping back on the base here. You'll hear it click. You'll snag these size 4 Torx screws. Screw everything back together. And be almost good to go. All right, simply reinstall battery. Reinstall backplate.
In under 5 minutes.
Turn on battery, or turn on phone. And then we've got that going. All right, well, success. Go do safely.